right, guys, the guys from Honda Suzuki of Lynchburg brought us this Honda Talon back. This is a 1000R. They installed a Jackson Racing turbo kit on this vehicle, and we got her strapped down. Let's fire her up and see what kind of numbers she'll make. She made a pull, we got some numbers. Before the turbo installation, this vehicle made 79 horsepower. After the turbo was installed by Honda Suzuki of Lynchburg guys, all right, she makes 122 horsepower. So pretty damn good gains for this vehicle, and I'll tell you what, she gets down now. So if you're looking for a 1000R Honda Talon, or you want a turbo kit, Jackson Racing turbo kit installed on your vehicle, on your side-by-side, contact the guys at Honda Suzuki of Lynchburg, man, because they can get it done for you. So make sure you like, subscribe, and look for more awesome dyno videos from Driver Motorsports.